So, ooh. Yo, what is up guys? It's just John McKinn and I'm back for another video. And in this video, I'm actually unboxing the Apple AirTag. So I'm unboxing a custom Apple AirTag. And I feel like this is a pretty good rival for the key fob title. So if you don't know what an AirTag is, it's supposed to basically keep track of where your items are. You can put these things onto your keys, your bags, some people even your keys, your bags, some people even leave them in their car. It's basically just for you to keep track of your belongings. So I only got one, it's a custom one for now, and we're just gonna see how I like it, and if I really love it, I'm gonna go get some more. So not only am I gonna unbox the Apple AirTag, I'm actually going to also do a leather key ring. I actually got the product Wrld key ring to go along with this custom AirTag, and I'm more excited than ever to show you guys this unboxing. So let's get straight into it. So it's pretty again reasonable Apple boxing, pretty standard if you ask me. Yeah, it's just pretty standard boxing. The same thing with the key ring, but we're gonna focus on the AirTag for now. So I got a custom one. It's actually with the, I'm gonna keep it a surprise. Actually. So I need unboxing scissors. So they're surprisingly really hard to take apart. Why is it so hard to get out the box? This is like the hardest Apple unboxing. Did I open it on the right side? Because I know it's a custom one, so I wonder if it was like sealed back. So maybe the custom ones are a little bit harder to, I don't know, to unbox. So let's get this out. Okay, it's really, this is so hard. I'm not sure if it's because it was a custom one. Like, this is the first Apple unboxing I like demolished the box. Get that from the bird's eye view angle as well. I completely demolished the box. Golly, can I pull it out? I'm just pull it out. Golly. So that was not the smoothest Apple unboxing. That's probably like the hardest one I ever did. That is the final product. Yeah, I should have did the thumbnail before. I destroyed this box. I don't know how I'm gonna do the thumbnail. I'm gonna have to be creative. Tape it back. Tape it back for the thumbnail. Alright. So anyways, we're looking at the Apple AirTag. Here it is right here. So hopefully the bird's eye view can get a good angle of this. Yeah, so it's really tiny wording, but over here you just pretty much have your update to the latest iOS, turn on Bluetooth, then pull the tab to initialize, hold near your device, and we'll see the on-screen instructions. So, yeah, that's what we're supposed to do. And oh, it just comes out like that. Oh, and yeah, that's my custom thing I wanted on it. I put the GOAT JJM, and that's our channel, just John McKinn. So I'll get a close shot for you guys. So yeah, just a close shot for you guys. So yeah, it has the GOAT and JJM on it. Really cool. So it's really simple. Like, it's just this little pod. Like, it's about the size of like a button that you just stick onto your shirt. Very reasonable, way more stylish than a towel. About the same weight as one. Yeah, it has the Apple logo like right in the middle. So it's a really cool design. It's like a spaceship type of design. It's like a spaceship button. Yeah, so that is it. Very simple to set up. That was all that was in here. So before I do the connection, I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox our leather key ring. Yeah, we have the leather AirTag key ring, product Wrld. Here we go. That's how it's supposed to just use. So this is how it's just supposed to be used on your keys or whatnot. Literally stick it in, fasten it up, and put your keys or whatever onto it. So It's the same. This is the same as the AirTag box. I'm not sure why it's so hard to unbox these. Like, did I get like a fake one? Like, these boxes are hard. I gotta watch an unboxing. There's like yellow stuff on here. So I'm like, did I get a fake one? It's from Apple. The box looks legit, but like, golly, it's like impossible to take apart without tearing up the box, unfortunately. So taking the ring out, yeah, that was it. This is the only thing that was in there. So it's very minimalistic. If you ask me, that is the ring. It looks beautiful. A nice little leather red coat. I think we just pull it out and boom. Yeah, it actually looks really nice. Designed by Apple in California, so this is definitely legit. Very tiny around the ring. You can see designed by Apple in California. So, do a shot to get the ring, do close-ups. Yeah, you see designed by Apple in California. Around the ring looks very, very nice. And I think you just pull this tab out to activate the magnet. Oh, I'm just tearing this unboxing up. This is supposed to unfasten this, and that's when you slip in your AirTag and then clip it like that. So let's just see how this is supposed to look inside of this before we actually do the whole setup. To take this off, I think this is pulling the tab by doing this. So, ooh. It made a noise, like a futuristic noise. So it has speakers on here. I don't know where the speakers are. They must be like behind that, like that silverish Apple plate. But yeah, it's pretty loud. Like if I lost these, you would be able to hear them at least in a quiet room, not in a loud place. But let's go ahead and slide this into place to see what it will look like. It's snagged. It's not going anywhere inside of this. So this is definitely engineered in the best fashion. I expected nothing less from Apple. For this type of engineering, it's actually really on point. Yeah, this cannot fall out. Now, how do you take this apart again? You just literally do that, and yeah, it sets it free, sets it loose. Literally just peel it apart. Boom, sets it free, sets it loose. So yeah, it's actually a button. It's not a magnet, so you actually push this through and it locks into place. So that's one thing to know. It's not a magnet. I don't think that's a big deal because this is what actually lasts longer than a magnet, and I don't think you'll ever really be taking these or changing these out. But knowing Apple, knowing that these have a bunch of different colors, just kind of like, you know, a regular Apple Watch, you can kind of style your AirTags in the best way you want to. I'll say, like, yeah, if you have an AirTag, I can see how this is essential. This little key ring. Now the red leather one is not, but you know, just getting some type of ring, it can be very essential because these little things can slip around, and in here it's very tight and sturdy, and then with this key ring it can just tag onto any pair of keys very, very easily. So okay, so I am on my phone right now and I'm trying to connect the AirTag, and it's saying I need to do a software update. So it requires a newer version of OS. So let's go ahead and do that software update. What's up, guys, and we're back. I was just laying on that pillow while this was updating. Yeah, the update has finished. I got the AirTag right here in my hand. JJM all day to go. So actually, oh man, I'm supposed to be recording. I brought my flashlight. All right, so cool. The AirTag has popped up on my home screen, so I'm just gonna click connect, go through the process for this. So right now it's just asking me what is it for. I'm going to be using it for my keys, but it seems like they have generic stuff for pretty much anything: camera, handbag, jacket, umbrella. That's actually the most random thing I saw on here out of everything. I know it has a custom as well, so I'm just gonna go with a. I'm using this for my keys. So I'm gonna say keys. So registering to my keys. Cool. My keys. Cool. So I'm gonna say view and find my app. So this can pop up now, and I'm just play the sound. That's the sound it plays. Now if that's covered up, like I got this pillow right here. Is it gonna? I wish it was louder. I don't know what kind of speakers they have in it. It's findable. Like, I think it's a bit louder. Based off of my ear, it's a bit louder than the towel. So if it was just like, again, under a pillow or something, it can be found. Now, like if you're outside and it's loud, obviously you're not gonna be able to find this. So you better use the little tracking feature on here to go ahead and try to find it. So there was one cool thing where it was like a green and it was like green and the arrow, and it showed you how close or how far you were from the AirTag. So I'm actually gonna go back to find my play sounds, directions, notify when found. I'm not sure how it knows when it's found. Maybe it knows when it moves. Oh, you can't even do that. So lost mode, enable. So you will receive it when the location becomes available. This item is linked to your app. So I think like I can leave my phone number for anybody who finds this, and they can contact me. So this is really cool. So they can't even use it. All right, cool. So there's one more thing I want to try with this AirTag, and that is I want to pull up the green little map to see if I can find it. Doing research on actually how to do that, I found out that you can only access the AirTag within Bluetooth range. That is, again, if somebody else in the network, I guess, comes in contact with it in Bluetooth range, that's what will update the connection. It does not have a built-in GPS tracker. So, yeah, it has to be in Bluetooth range to pretty much find. So is it necessarily great? Now, I guess like for the network, it could possibly work. You know, the more people use it, the stronger the network. And yeah, we'll see again in a public setting. Can I find my tag in a park? Is this widely used to the point that, yeah, I'll be able to use it? So I'll be able to find it. So let's just go ahead and throw this over here. My dog's bed is over there, so I'm gonna just throw the AirTag. Oh, that was a perfect throw over there. I'm gonna act like I lost it. So I just threw it over there, and I want to go to FindMy, figure out where are my keys. So I don't get an option that option like everybody else. I've seen it before, like it was like a green map. I am not getting that. I literally get directions, and yeah, it's not too clear how you do that. Like I gotta take an Uber to get it. Yeah, it's not too clear how. I can play the sound. Let's see if we can hear it. Yeah, it's pretty loud. I feel like it's louder than the towel, but it may have been a minute since I used the towel. Who knows? It's telling me the battery life. I'm not sure how you change the battery on this, but it is letting me know it's at full battery. But I'm not getting the directions that I wanted. I'm not sure. Oh, so you have, is this just this? Oh, hybrid and the satellite. Yeah, I'm not too sure why I don't get the green map. But maybe we'll figure that out in a future video, how to pull up that green map. So just pull up a regular map for me. So anyways, that is it, guys. That is the AirTag unboxing, that little custom AirTag. It's actually thrown over there, but I'll put up a little clip so you guys can see it one more time close up. I'm really loving this. It's a really cool looking product. It's way cooler looking than the towel. I think they're about the same price too, so it's not too bad. I'll probably do like a direct comparison in another video, but I think it's pretty worth it. You know, the network, it's already in the FindMy ecosphere. So if you're already in the Apple network with a phone, a watch, AirPods, it just makes common sense to get this. It's like, why not? So yeah, I'm gonna do a fun video later. I'll possibly go into a park, have some of my crew record, and we're gonna see if we can find this in a public setting, a little find and seek, and hopefully I can get that green map working for that video. But anyways, if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Please, please, please. It's gonna help out the channel. Definitely trying to grow it to new levels and expand to show you guys even cooler and cooler content. And on that note, I'm not gonna make the video too long. That is just Sean McKinn, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.